Alright, what's going on, guys? First, I just wanted to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's, as 2019 was easily the best year of my life for sure, or one of the better years, as I made huge strides in my efforts to pursue self-improvement and get better both mentally and physically. Now it is the holidays, and as you can see, I'm up north right now at the cottage. This is going to be totally unscripted, just off the top, and I just want to talk about a couple of things that I feel are important to me and other people at around this time, as the new year is approaching, and as everyone knows, it's time to make your New Year's resolutions. Now usually people make New Year's resolutions that are like going to the gym, or eating less sugar, eating more vegetables, something with their diet, or something with improving your physical fitness and physical shape. Now, whatever you decide for your New Year's resolution, this is a really good thing. This is probably one of my favorite times of the year because you're starting a new year fresh, January 1st. You have a full year to set new goals, new ambitions, new targets. A lot of people have that really good motivation to get out and take action and do things. And I feel like this is really important. Now, the only problem with this is that a lot of people fail on their New Year's resolutions. And I see this specifically with going to the gym. Now, I've been going to the gym consistently for about 3 years or so. I don't count the first 2 years that I've been going to the gym. I've been going to the gym about total 5, but the first 2 years, they were like really iffy, really inconsistent, and I don't really count those years. My plan for this year is, instead of setting out with a New Year's resolution for the entire year, I'm thinking of making 12 smaller New Year's resolutions and carrying them out for each month. So this way I have 30 days to set out on a specific goal or target, and it's not like I have the idea of keeping up the habit of an entire year, and it seems a little overbearing and it can drain on you mentally. So the one thing that I've really noticed with New Year's resolutions or even 30-day challenges is that you're eventually going to get to a point where you struggle and you kind of find a roadblock and you don't want to continue doing that new habit or new activity that you want to pursue. Now, say for example you've been following a really strict diet, you've gone vegan, or maybe you're eating less meat, or you're just eating more vegetables in general, eating less processed foods, less fast foods, and then someone's birthday comes up and the cake comes out and the ice creams and the cookies, and this is the point that derails a lot of people's New Year's resolutions. They'll break their resolution by eating that sugar or eating that unhealthy thing, and then your resolution of eating healthy just completely disappears. Now, if you do decide to create a New Year's resolution, like a lot of you will, I think it's really important to expect that you will fail at one point or another. As no one is perfect, even myself, especially with going to the gym or starting off with a new healthy diet. There's no way you're going to maintain 365 days of going to the gym every day, eating clean, unprocessed foods, avoiding sugar. It's just not going to happen. And the thing that was really beneficial for me to build these good habits was knowing that there will be some days where you will fail, you will fall off the wagon, you will be sore, you won't be able to go to the gym, you will have a birthday party or some type of gathering where there will be cookies or cake, and you will indulge in those things and break your resolution. Just be willing to accept that imperfection is normal and all of us go through this. Just make sure that one missed day, that one missed gym session doesn't derail you from your goal for the entire year. Made it. It was fun. Oh my gosh. First time snowshoeing. Now, another thing that I think that's really important, or that's really helped me throughout the past couple years, is to take things slow and steady. As especially with whatever new activity or goal you set out for yourself this year, it's going to be new to you. It's going to feel foreign, it's going to feel weird, it's going to be hard, and you're going to struggle. And I think the best thing to do is to just maintain consistency by taking it slow. So in the case of working out, for example, starting off going to the gym with maybe 2 times a week, but making sure you go 2 times every single week and just keep being consistent with it, rather than going 6 days for the very first week of January and then 6 days again, and then all of a sudden you drop down to 5, to 4, to 2, to 1, and then you're burned out and your new habit or new resolution is completely gone. For myself, I am going to try to commit to making 12 separate New Year's resolutions, and they're all going to be in the form of 30-day challenges, and I'm going to try to document them the best I can and share my journey and progress on those challenges. I don't know exactly what they will be, but they will be a mix of productivity, organization, some type of food challenge, weight, general health, physical and both mental. They'll all be very similar, but they will mainly be focused around general self-improvement. And my overall New Year's resolution or goal will be to try to incorporate as many of those positive habits into my lifestyle. Oh man, the birds are going crazy. So I think that's pretty much it. That wraps it up, or that wraps up 2019. Now I'm excited for what 2020 will bring. Hopefully all of you can get some value out of this video, and I hope you all obtain your goals and resolutions in the new year. So if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing. In the comments below, let me know what you think or what I can work on to improve, as I'm always striving to become the best versions of myself. And that's pretty much it. Let's make 2020 our best year yet. So until next time, stay consistent, be cool. Peace.